Good morning everybody. This week is National Allotment Week. So we're down here on the allotment nice and early this morning on this glorious sunny day on a Monday. And it's absolutely beautiful here in Sheffield today. So as it's National Allotment Week, we'll be posting questions and things for you to get involved with on the page and get involved and share ideas. Also, if you help share videos, pictures, what I share, to help build on the National Allotment Week. So this is the start of today's blog down here on the allotment of my allotment transformation. Yesterday I finished off sorting out my path, which had taken about 3 days. So today's task is going to be starting to clear the area of where I'm going to have the compost bins, my seating area and fencing off the top of my plot. So this week this project will probably take about a week to get that area cleared. That's what I'm giving myself. So hopefully by Sunday you'll see that area cleared and compost bins built and the fencing put up. So we will see. So make sure you subscribe to the channel if you're watching on YouTube and stay up to date with how it's all getting on. And feel free to leave comments and likes as well. It's always good to see who's been watching it. So first off, we're going to be watering the plot as everything is dry. Thunderstorms aren't predicted until tonight here in Sheffield, so it needs a good watering, as I didn't water yesterday outside, so it needs a good drink of water. So let's get cracking with today's tasks. Hope you stay tuned and see how we get on. So all my plot's being watered now. That took about another hour to do as it's so big and it takes so long to water it all. So now I'm on to my allotment transformation area. So let's see what we are doing today down on the allotment. It's certainly going to be hard work for the next week on this area, as it's quite a biggish area, but I've set myself a week to do it in, which is realistic. It's good to have realistic goals. I do like setting little tasks and projects. I don't know if you're the same, let me know in the comments. It's always good to have little projects on the go on the allotment. So yeah, let's see what we're doing today. So that was my path, what I cleared. It still needs straightening up a bit, but it's got the general gist of it. It's in the area that I want it in. So the area that I'm going to be doing this week is all this area down along the back of it. As you can see, it's got a boundary wall. So I'm wanting to put some fencing up further up because behind it is the recreation ground. So I need to make sure it's fenced off and secured, and then I'm going to put hedging all along the way at the back, and in front of it I'm going to have my composting area along this bit, and then hopefully I'll have like a seating area underneath the tree. That's my plan anyway, but we'll see how we get along with it. So we best get cracking because we've got a lot to do. So yeah, let's get going. I'm hoping to get cleared today is up to that where that brick wall is. So fingers crossed that I can get all this a bit clear today and then move on to the next bit tomorrow, which will be at that area, up to the tree probably. So yeah, let's get today's task done. Wow, this is a lot harder than I thought. Just in that small area there, I've dug up all them bricks. So heaven knows what it's going to be like all under the rest of it. And I'm finding old stone from what was part of the dry stone wall. I'm wanting to build the dry stone wall back up if I can find all the bricks. So that's a good task, and get it looking back how it should do. So yeah, it's going to be one hell of a job. Fingers crossed I can get it done this week, but we'll see how we crack on with it all. Why did I even start this project? I've just been digging up these stones and I didn't realise it goes everywhere. I've dug so many bricks up while doing this. It's a nightmare. Heaven knows how many bricks are under this soil. But I want to get them out, as I will use them, and it'll be ideal for everything on my plot in this new area. So it's going to take probably longer than a week. No. Well, I'm hoping to get all this area cleared, but I'm absolutely shattered from digging all these bricks out, and there's absolutely loads more underneath them. It goes down at least another 2 layers, so it's going to be a tough old job. So I'm going to continue with this area tomorrow, and fingers crossed we can get a lot more of it done and the rest of it cleared. And hopefully, fingers crossed, I can move on to that area on Wednesday. But yeah, back tomorrow. So that's the end of today's allotment transformation blog for the 10th of August. It has been an absolute nightmare digging all these bricks up. I'm enjoying it, certainly I'm enjoying it. And I'm going to use all these bricks on my edging and making it look as natural as possible. And make it look old and interesting really. It's going to be exciting once I've got it all done. So yeah, it's going to be a big job. But fingers crossed we can get to it. Remember to click that subscribe button so that you can stay up to date with this blog and how I get on in this transformation area. And also feel free to like it if you're watching it on Facebook, or leave a comment below as well. It's always good to see who's watched it. So until tomorrow, remember, keep gardening.